Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring how to use the Advanced Encryption Standard, commonly known as AES, to protect your sensitive data in C# applications. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process. We'll show you how to encrypt your data to make it unreadable to anyone without the proper decryption key. And then we'll guide you on how to decrypt it to get back your original information. But before we start, welcome to Codev Tips, your ultimate destination for programming tutorials and all things code-related. If you're passionate about learning to code or improving your programming skills, you're in the right place. But before we dive into today's programming tutorial, I'd like to invite you to become a part of our growing community. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of programming knowledge and stay updated with the latest tutorials we release. So, go ahead and subscribe now, and let's get coding. Here's a basic C# program that accomplishes this. We've just wrapped up the encryption part of our tutorial, but before we dive into decryption, I'd like to take a moment to remind you of something important. If you're finding this tutorial valuable, if you're excited about learning how to secure your data and want to keep up with more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. You see that little red subscribe button down there? Just click on it. By subscribing, you'll be part of our amazing community of learners, and you'll never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and insights. So, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, and now, let's get back to mastering the art of AES decryption. Stay tuned. And there you have it. We've reached the end of this comprehensive tutorial on using the Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, algorithm in C# to encrypt and decrypt text. And if you have any questions or need further clarification on any topic we covered in this video, please feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you in our future tutorials. Until then, keep coding securely, keep learning, and keep making the digital world a safer place. Have a great day.